So we also said we were going to look at the associative property. And what's that all about? Well, let me scroll down the page, give myself a little bit of room. And in this part of the video, we're going to look at the associative property. So the associative property looks at how we perform operations in math when things are grouped together. So let's say, for example, we had 3 plus parentheses 6 plus 7, and we wanted to find out what this is equal to. Well, we know that whenever we have brackets or parentheses, we do that part of the problem first. So we're going to get, if we work this out, 3 plus 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 13 is equal to 16. And then we just add, we just added the 3 plus 13 and we got 16. Now, what we want to do with the associative property is we want to see whether if we switch around which of the numbers we group, we get the same answer. So we're asking ourselves, does 3 plus brackets 6 plus 7 equal the same thing as brackets 3 plus 6 brackets plus 7? So let's try this out. Again, when we have brackets, we always work out the brackets first. So we say 3 plus 6 is 9. So we have 9 plus 7, and 9 plus 7 is just equal to 16. So we can then say that, yes, indeed, 3 plus 6 plus 7 is the same thing as 3 plus 6 plus 7. And so we say that because this is true, addition is associative. So addition is associative because when we are adding three numbers, it does not make a difference which pair of numbers we add first. And so associative means that the pairings means that when we pair or when we group numbers differently, we get the same outcome. And in algebraic terms, we would just write A plus B, plus bracket B plus C is equal to brackets A plus B plus C. That's all there is to the associative property. And if we want to check subtraction, we can see easily that subtraction is not associative. 3 minus brackets 6 minus 7 brackets, is this equal to 3 minus 6 minus 7? Question mark. All those things equal. Well, let's look at it. 6 minus 7 minus 1. So we're going to have down here 3 minus 1. And that's going to be equal to 3 minus 1. And that's the same thing as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. And that's just going to be equal to 4. We get 4 over here on this side. Over here we get 3 minus 6, that's minus 3. And minus 7, minus 3, minus 7. Ooh, got a dot in there somewhere where that's not supposed to have one. 3 minus 3 minus 7, and that's just going to be equal to minus 10, or negative 10. So we can see clearly that subtraction is not associative. Remember, associative means when you do the grouping with the operation on 3 different numbers, the grouping order does not matter. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So that's the associative form. Hope this helps. You're going to have some problems.